I'm failing chemistry. Listen, before my teacher senses disturbance in the force, okay? I am not struggling. I am not needs improvement. I'm straight up failing this course, okay? And listen, if the atoms themselves could reject me, they low-key would, okay? And I think it's because I'm low-key gay. Stay with me. Stay with me. There's some genius logic to this, okay? Okay? Because every time I open this evil, godforsaken textbook, okay, I simply cannot relate to what's going on, okay? Chemistry is about stable bonds. I am about emotional instability and yearning. See the issue? Me and chemistry are simply not meant to be together. Everyone in my class is like, oh my god, I love stoichiometry. Well, I don't. You know why? Because I'm still confused why chlorine has 7 valence electrons into figuring it out and having an 8th one, okay? I have different priorities than everyone else, okay? And don't even get me started on organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is not organic. Organic chemistry is something that demons made up and sent from the surfaces of hell to introduce into the high school chemistry curriculum. Okay? This is not something that I should be taught. I don't need to know this. I don't care if it's dichloro-5,4-methylbromate or if it's 5-chloral-5,3-methylbromate. Okay? I don't care. I don't care. I don't care what fucking chemistry compound it is. Okay? Oh my god, the worst part is I really try for chemistry. Okay, I really try for chemistry. I've been doing these practice questions. I stare at them, and they're staring back. We are not enemies to lovers. Okay? We are not the heated rivalry that we are meant to be, okay? We are just enemies, okay? Everyone I know says chemistry is a logical subject, okay? It's logical. If you follow the steps, you'll get the right answer. But what if I don't follow the steps? What if I try to solve it differently? Okay, what if I solve it differently? What if I frolic? What if I yearn? Okay? What if I exist in a state of mild chaos at all times? No one has prepared a formula to solve that problem, okay? Listen, it's not that I'm dumb. I understand the theoretical concepts, but I refuse to be emotionally bullied by beakers and volumetric flasks, okay? I hate everything related to chemistry, okay? If a solution is unstable and can still exist, so can I. If molecules are polar and can still exist, I too can be polar. If reactions have a high required activation energy, then mine is higher. Also, why is everything in chemistry about attraction? Hydrogen bonds, covalent bonds, London van der Waals forces bonds, okay? Opposites attract, intermolecular forces, electrostatic attraction. But when I experience attraction, it's suddenly not locked in, and it's not focused on your work. I am tying my real-world experiences to my chemistry curriculum, okay? This is a locked-in homosexual method, okay? We are locked in, okay? This is hypocrisy! This is hypocrisy! Okay, I am failing chemistry. Listen, I'm failing chemistry, but I am passing the vibe check, okay? I'm getting checked into a mental hospital. Will I still study chemistry? Yes. You know why? Because I like passing. I like pretty little numbers on the sheet of paper to be high, right? Will I try to pass my exam and actually write it? Yes, because I am locked in, okay? Will I graduate? Yes. I have enough credits actually to graduate, so I don't even need this chemistry, okay? Listen, but if I fail one more test, I am going to go insane. I am going to go insane, okay? My classmates will know about this, right? I'm blaming the beakers, the covalent bonds, and I'm blaming normalized heteronormativity, all right? Thank you! My favorite element is holmium. You know why? Because its atomic number is 6-7!